Hey guys, see that right there? Whoop, there he is. That's Hercules. That's my mud truck that I built actually last week on the TV show Diesel Brothers, and I love it. It is my first mud truck, and I love it. But recently we released a promo video that has a little title that says, Baddest Mud Truck Around. Now, I want you to know, that video was made by the editors of our show, who are actually extremely talented, awesome people, and most of them have never really seen mud trucks before, so to them, that is the baddest truck around. But to me, I wouldn't make that statement just yet, because there's a lot of trucks, especially down south, trucks like KRUSH, Can. Big guns. Those guys are the OG mud truck guys, and I would never try to just say, hey, my truck's better than you, without even going up against them. So.
Pulled that to the next town.
We ran out of gear.
Basically, I love that truck, but I'm all about giving respect where it's earned. And the OG mud truck guys, they have definitely earned my respect, and I can't wait to go ride with them this year. Who wants to go? This guy.
When it comes to monster trucks and mud bogs, there's only one king, and you're looking at him. King KRUSH. Don't forget to watch Mud Boggin in Florida.